Welcome to this practice activity. In this activity, we will use Windows to create a folder structure to store your files for class. It's very important that you keep your files organized so that you can find them when you need them. Saving, accessing, and uploading files is critical to your success in this course. This assignment will assist you in keeping your files organized throughout this course. Using Windows, we will create this file structure. Your top folder should be BPC110. There are a few different ways to create a new folder in Windows. In File Explorer, click the New Folder icon in the upper left-hand corner. Use the keyboard shortcut Control, Shift, and N, making sure to press all three keys at the same time. Finally, you can right-click the white area of the File Explorer window, select New, and select Folder. Name this folder BPC110. After you type the file name of the folder, press Enter. Repeat this process of creating folders until your file structure looks like this. Now, some students like to put a number in front of the folders so that they display in chronological order. Other students like to abbreviate the unit and chapter names. The file structure is for you, so use names and logic that make sense to you. Some helpful hints as you are creating this file structure. To rename a folder, right-click on the folder. In the shortcut menu, choose Rename. Start typing the new name and then hit Enter on your keyboard. To delete a folder, right-click on the folder. In the shortcut menu, choose Delete. I hope this video has helped you to develop your file structure for BPC110. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to your instructor. They're here to help you.